Welcome back. Now, another way to find previous searches is to use your browser-based history. One of the things you will notice about your ChatGPT search is that it does generate a unique page. It means then that if you go to your history and you type in the title of the search query, you will be able to find it inside of your browser history. You will also see the OpenAI icon indicating that this is a ChatGPT search. And depending on which browser you have available, you can go to your favorite web store and you can look for ChatGPT Search Browser extension. And by adding the extension, you will then be able to use ChatGPT as your default search engine. And by turning the extension on, you will be changing the default search engine to ChatGPT. That means that when you go to your address bar and you're typing in search, you will then be basically entering a search query into ChatGPT. You can type your query in, and when you type in the address bar, your address bar will send you to ChatGPT search. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.